Looking for power, speed, and smooth performance in one perfect ride? The best 750-watt bike delivers all that with impressive torque, long battery life, and dependable stability. Ideal for commuting or weekend adventures, it transforms every journey into pure excitement. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TS TST GRP LLC 750-watt bike. The TS TST GRP LLC 750-watt bike is a compact, urban-friendly electric bike designed for riders who want convenience, smooth performance, and everyday practicality without the bulk of full-size e-bikes. Its 750W peak motor provides enough punch for accelerating through traffic and climbing moderate hills, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, which is ideal for short commutes or leisurely weekend rides. Paired with a 36V 7.8Ah battery delivering up to 20 miles per charge, it clearly focuses on city riders who need reliable, manageable power rather than long-distance touring. The biggest advantage is its ultra-portable design. At just 42 pounds with a two-step folding mechanism, is one of the more travel-friendly e-bikes in its class. This makes it perfect for apartment living, public transportation users, and commuters who need something easy to lift and store. The intelligent LCD display adds a nice touch, showing real-time speed and battery levels while offering 3 riding modes and cruise control to suit different habits. Safety is also well considered with dual disc brakes, bright LED headlights, brake lights, and tail lights for nighttime visibility. The 12/14-inch tires provide a smooth enough ride for city streets, though they may feel small on rough terrain. Overall, the TS TST GRP LLC 750-watt bike is a handy, well-balanced solution for riders prioritizing portability and simplicity over high-powered performance. It's best for urban commuters, students, and casual cyclists needing a lightweight electric bike that folds quickly, handles well in tight spaces, and offers a solid mix of efficiency, comfort, and essential safety features. Number 2. VEEFA 750-watt bike. The VEEFA 750-watt bike stands out as a stylish and highly functional folding electric bike designed for versatility, comfort, and long-distance daily use. Its modern frame with a hidden built-in battery not only enhances security by reducing theft risk, but also makes the bike look clean and premium. The foldability requires just 2 quick steps, making it ideal for families, commuters, and anyone wanting a space-saving e-bike that fits easily in bus compartments, subway areas, or car trunks. Powered by a 499 battery, it delivers an impressive range of up to 60 miles depending on riding mode, making it one of the strongest long-range options in the 750W category. The 750W peak motor provides a short acceleration and a stable 20 miles per hour top speed, allowing riders to comfortably glide through urban streets, inclines, or weekend paths. Riders also benefit from 3 practical modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and classic biking, giving full control over energy usage and riding intensity. The 20-inch puncture-resistant fat tires combined with excellent front suspension create a very cushioned, confident feel on various terrains ranging from city roads to beaches and light off-road trails. Dual disc brakes offer responsive stopping power, and the adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a personalized fit for riders from 5 feet 0 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. Number 3. ECOTRIC 750-watt bike. The ECOTRIC 750-watt bike is a robust fat tire electric bike built for riders who want an adventurous, all-terrain riding experience with flexibility and power. Designed with 4 working modes: pedal assist, fully electric, manual, and booster, it gives riders complete control over how they want to ride, whether casually, effortlessly, or with full electric output. Its 750W brushless geared hub motor delivers strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it suitable for climbing hills, cruising beaches, and handling tough terrain without strain. The huge 26x 4.0-inch fat tires make a noticeable difference in stability and traction, allowing the bike to glide over snow, gravel, sand, and wet surfaces with confidence. This model is built for heavier usage with a maximum load capacity of 260 pounds and an overall weight of about 86 pounds, giving it a strong, durable structure that feels solid on uneven surfaces. The 5-level LCD display adds convenience by showing riding information and even includes a USB port for charging smartphones during long rides, a thoughtful addition for outdoor enthusiasts. The hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power in all weather conditions, and the adjustable suspension fork helps smooth out bumps, making long rides more comfortable. The Shimano 7-speed gearing system ensures smooth transitions on varying terrains. Overall, the ECOTRIC 750 What a Bike is ideal for adventure riders, off-road fans, and daily commuters who prefer a powerful, stable e-bike that can handle challenging conditions while providing strong performance, control, and comfort. Number 4. ECOTRIC 48V 750 What a Bike. The ECOTRIC 48V 750 What a Bike is another strong contender for riders who want rugged performance, reliability, and smooth power delivery for both on-road and off-road riding. With 4 working modes, including pedal assist, fully electric, manual cycling, and booster mode, it gives riders flexibility for different environments and energy needs. The 750W brushless motor paired with a 48V system provides more efficiency and smoother output compared to many standard e-bikes, helping reduce maintenance while offering excellent long-term performance. This model also features a Shimano 7-speed gear system, making it easy to adapt to inclines, rough trails, or city commutes. Safety is a major highlight thanks to its hydraulic disc brakes and MTB-grade suspension fork, ensuring quick stopping power and better shock absorption on bumpy surfaces. The ride feels stable and comfortable, especially with the fat tire design that enhances traction on various terrains like snow, dirt, sand, and gravel. The removable 48V 12.5Ah battery is spacious enough to deliver 20-plus miles of pure electric range and up to 35 miles with pedal assist, depending on rider weight and terrain. The waterproof battery case with overcharge protection adds security and reliability, especially for long-term use. Riders can adjust the speed limit from the default 20 miles per hour if allowed in their region, offering more customization. Altogether, the ECOTRIC 48V 750 What a Bike offers durable construction, smooth power, enhanced safety features, and reliable battery capacity, making it perfect for commuters, outdoor explorers, and riders seeking a tough, versatile fat tire e-bike for varied road conditions. Number 5. Rambo 750 What a Bike. The Rambo 750 What a Bike is engineered for strength, durability, and premium performance, making it an excellent choice for riders who need serious power and reliability for off-road adventures or rugged outdoor environments. Equipped with a 750W 1000W hub motor powered by Bafang and delivering up to 1200W peak power with 90 nanometers of torque, it offers outstanding acceleration and the ability to conquer steep hills, mud trails, and demanding terrain without hesitation. The frame uses double-wall aluminum alloy for exceptional durability, preventing rim damage even during aggressive trail use. The smart controller lets riders easily adjust power settings in real time, while the tough waterproof LCD display provides clear readouts for speed, battery life, power usage, and mileage. One standout feature is the ACS, adjustable class setting, allowing users to switch between Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 modes depending on their local regulations or riding preference. The braking system includes 180mm Logan hydraulic brakes with dual piston pads and integrated electric cutoffs, giving riders strong, responsive stopping power and added safety. The adjustable stem helps taller riders achieve a personalized and comfortable riding posture, making long rides more enjoyable. This model is targeted toward hunters, off-road cyclists, and adventure riders who require a sturdy, high-torque e-bike capable of handling difficult terrain. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.